Happy Mail arrived in the form of my Craft with Heart card subscription box, and I am doing my first unboxing video. It's funny, I think because I'm a maker and I already know what's in boxes, I'm not a big fan of unboxing videos because I already know what's in there, but when it's your own, it's kind of fun. So I'm just taking things out, putting the brochure, the best part of it, well, not the best part of it, but a really key important part of the kit. And I think this note that we get from Jeanette, I'm going to make into a card. So I apologize for being a little off screen. The first thing I do when I get one of the Craft with Heart, whether it's scrapbooking or the card making one, is I take a look at all of the designs and kind of see how I think that I can enhance them or what might add to them, or as I call them, Amanda eyes them. So I'm just walking through and taking a look at things, and I do have close-ups at the end of this video. So the kit comes with the mini black ink pad, the small stamp block, the beautiful bluebell sequins. There's little hearts in there, and I think a couple stars, and all the different colors of the blues and grays and creams, and it's just gorgeous. And then I'm excited, the shaker cards this time, instead of being circles, are stars. So this is the foam that has the outline for the shaker card where you make your well and put all of your sequins in it, and then that's the acetate sheet that goes on top of it. So I'm excited about the stars. And then next we have envelopes, 6 green, 6 gray, and I sometimes worry about that because I like to match up my cards with the envelopes, and in the past when there's been lots more colors, I haven't agreed with the amount of each color that they sent for matching up with the cards, but this time it worked great. So the stamp set that you see in the brochure actually has a different phrase in the top left corner. The one that you receive has joy to the world. The one in the brochure actually has the word happy. But this has amazing sentiments on it, with gratitude, many thanks, peace, birthday to you, make a wish, and then it has grateful and blessed, grateful for you, Merry Christmas, from our house to yours, Christmas time blessings. And then this was our club night card that we're going to do, and that hello there stamp would have worked perfectly for it, and I had spent a long time looking for the right size hello to go on that card. So had the Craft with Heart box come first, I would have had my image that I needed. So I do apologize, the video situation is not ideal. I had to move stuff out of my studio to allow the drywallers to come in and the painters to work. So I've been kind of bounced back and forth for the last week. But here's the base for card number 1, and then these are the die cut shapes that are exclusive with the card kit. Oh, and I do have to say, I love the stamp set that comes with the card kit. They are just great. So here's for another shaker card with the bluebell leaves that are die cut. I'm thinking I can do something with that. My first thought when I saw the die cuts that went with the base for card number 3 is those weren't the pieces I would have selected to go together. And I haven't created that card yet. I do have the first two done, but I haven't done any of the rest, and I'm anxious to see how those all work out. Then we move to card number 4, and I love the bluebell color with the little swoosh of tone on tone, or kind of like a water brush technique. And the oh, I'm showing you the wreath for card number 5. I apologize that I didn't show you the next card. But so there's the next card that wreath and butterfly go on with the flowers, and it's beautiful. Then we have a nice plaid for card number 6 with a pocket and a little tag and some hearts and leaves. So I'm kind of feeling the leaf thing, and I'm thinking in my head, all right, I'm going to create some Cricut leaves. And then we get to card number 7, and it's just a straightforward piece with stars. I'm thinking masculine, it could be a birthday card. That one kind of has me stymied. And then card number 8 is gorgeous, and the flowers that are all together that go on that green background, just going to be stunning. And I think with how I'm leaning towards doing some palm fronds or other kinds of greenery, that's going to work well. So card number 9 is like a snowman village, or a Christmas village card, and that's not something that I've done much of, so I'm looking forward to seeing what I can come up with for that. And card 10 has that wood grain background, which I love, again with some of the brown, or I'm going to say they're probably an almond color leaf, the dyes there. So that's going to be a beautiful card. Easily can enhance that. Now we have it's almost a gingham on card number 11, and you get to add your little flowers, and they have it as happy birthday to you on this. And I think I need more birthday cards, I always do, but I think that one will be pretty easy. And then the last one is another star shaker card that you stamp Make-A-Wish on the banner. Perfect. Need more gender neutral birthday cards, so I think that'll work really well for me. So here's card number 1. I just thought I'd give a better close-up view of the finished cards from the brochure, since my camera was kind of out of view. So it's just walking you through all the cards. Hopefully you can see these and look forward to getting the card kit if you haven't already received it. And I should have a video out soon with at least the first 2 cards Amanda-ized. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so you don't miss any videos. I really appreciate you stopping by.